Hello, my name is Tamerlan Sergali, and today I'm going to show you my creative exam project. My topic was payment in e-commerce system. First of all, we can see the objective of this project, where we are using uh, object-oriented programming and implement repository pattern with using CRUD operations, simultaneously using two databases like PostgreSQL and MongoDB at the same time without changing our business logic. Uh, with help of that, all technologies, we can develop and implement a payment management system. So here you can see the requirements of this work, endpoints that we are using in this project. Three main layers: Java application, Node.js backend, and front-end web application. This is three main layers that which does its own work in our application. So everything work well with the help this three layers. That's the structure of our application, our system. So here you can see our domain model, repository pattern implementation. We are using repository pattern to connect to different databases, so we will be able not to change business logic or client logic, So here you can see fields of our two databases, web application, API endpoints, REST API endpoints. So here what we're using in front end, this is how our front looks like. So UML diagram. Here you can see the inheritance, how two databases are implemented, and here you can see the polymorphism, and this is actually our system. That's the UML diagram, UML class diagram. So the next diagram is deployment diagram. Here you can see how our system actually work, our payment system. Client sends HTTP requests through the front end. So our backend can use two databases without changing business logic through the CRUD operations. So let's go to our work. This is the front. This is the front side of our project. So first we will try to update our previous data. So for example, PayPal, and submit. So we just updated our new data. So if you want to put some new data, you can write something like 67 amount by using card, and status will be completed. So you can submit that, and as you can see, we are getting our new data in front, so we can see in a pgadmin. So first we refresh our table, and then we can look at our data, and as you can see, here is the new data that we just put in our front side. So this is the structure of our system. Firstly, for changing the database, we should go to the server.js in the Node backend side. So now we used the Postgres database, and now we will use MongoDB Mongo database. So, and also we should change here. So yes, and after that we should destroy previous terminal. So first we are just run our backend side. So as you can see, we are connected Mongo database, so API works, and next we are running our front end side. So as you can see, we just connected to another database without changing business logic. Now we can put some new data in our to our database. Let's say PayPal, and our status will be pending. So submit. We just got our new data here in the front immediately without refreshing the website. So we just go to the Mongo database, and here we see our new data that we just put in there. We can edit that data to our payment system. For example, amount a little bit less. So as you can see, new data just put, and as you can see, we just updated the data. But if you just don't like your data, you can just delete it. You can delete it, and it's gone. In our database, it's also gone. We can use that in a very important way, in a very great way. So here we have the repository in Java edition. This is two repository patterns, and this is the Postgres repository that implements Postgres database into our application. So as you can see, our application is working well. We also have diagrams here, UML diagram, UML class diagram, and deployment diagram. So here we can see that our application is not allowed to change client or business logic because of the database. We're just switching between two different databases, and that's it, I guess. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. So thank you. Goodbye.